Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at Linking AI app, how to get free coins from the Linking AI app. Now, unfortunately, there are no guaranteed ways to get unlimited free coins in the Linking AI app. However, there are some legitimate ways to potentially earn or receive coins within the app. By 1. Completing in-app tasks. Some apps offer rewards such as coins for completing certain actions within the app. They include watching ads. Watching short video ads also gives you coins. Daily login bonuses which you receive by logging into the app daily. Completing or participating in short surveys, and then referring friends. When you invite friends to join the app, you earn rewards when they sign up. Also, the app may occasionally offer limited time events or promotions where you can earn extra coins. Keep an eye out for announcements within the app. Important notice: avoid illegitimate methods. Be wary of any methods that promise unlimited free coins such as hacks, mods, or third-party apps. These methods may violate the app's terms of service and could potentially lead to account ban. Focus on enjoying the app, because the primary purpose of the Linking AI app is to provide an engaging and entertaining experience. So focus on enjoying the app features and interacting with the AI characters rather than solely on accumulating coins. I hope this helps. Remember to always use the app responsibly and within the guidelines set by developers. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. That's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.